Hated that retarded music box. There's Red Santa. Now it's recording. It's the first snow of the season. It's snowing, Lily. Ready to go in? You ready to go in? Lily! It's getting heavier out here.
Call, they want to get those other 2 cats.
Say something.
Really?
Hi. We're gonna get the Christmas tree.
What the fuck is 2 cats and all the dogs they got? How many cats do they have? 4.
In the truck.
Yeah, they have 4.
You must have a big house. That's all I can say.
They're coming to get the last 2.
No.
He's just joking with it. It's fun, you know.
Last 2 what?
I hope somebody else calls and gets those last 2 cats down there.
Oh.
I don't think anyone's gonna take them because the other 2 bite. I think it just leave them.
Riley.
No, the one lady did the first. She said the best way to train from biting is to pluck them in the nose. And she did. She plucked it in the nose. The one cat.
Oh yeah, because that's really gonna teach him something.
It's on a quest to search of the tree.
What?
Fucking stump.
Where's the one that we were looking at before?
There's our new tree. Let's get a shot of Dad taking a picture of the tree. It's a really nice tree.
Looks like you made out all right. Yeah. Good.
Hi, Santa.
How you doing, buddy? Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas to you, too.
I know I will.
The Shakeomatic 5000. Oh, there it goes.
Okay. All right, thanks, Trash.
You don't store your hot dogs or something.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Okay. When you put it on,
I'll put it back on.
It's a puppy like you.
This one.
They're calling them. Call her.
Lily!
Yeah.
Don't put them so close together.
it's going to be a lot of fun out.
This tree hurts when you touch it.
Can't put it on.
Oh, Matt. Here, you put this one on. You got your first deer this year.
It's a fucking doe, not a duck.
I don't care, it's still a deer.
Put that on you, doesn't
Don't throw them in
it?
there.
It doesn't have a hook.
It does have a hook.
No, it didn't.
It doesn't need one. You hook it on that.
I'm not touching that tree. It's prickly.
That's what trees are, prickly.
Speaking of, I gotta get a robe. I was gonna buy one today, actually. Then I was like,
Why
no.
is that picture upside down?
Here. Grab that. Put it on.
Why don't you put the deer on? Matt, this one actually has points on it.
God damn, take that!
Is it like a one-pointer? Get Matt. Putting on a ball.
Putting on a deer.
Putting on a deer. Putting on a show.
I love the smell of Christmas trees.
The big circle.
Matt, look, I made this.
So we all know you're lying.
Nuh-uh, look.
I know, I'm just kidding. That's a magnet.
Yeah, we glued them on there.
Why?
I don't know.
What, do you think the tree is metal or something?
1998. How old was I in 1998?
10. Oh, Mom, it's heavy. This thing is huge.
I was
Here, put this on.
11 in 98. I'm in the bottom, too.
Why do you find one that's thick?
These needles are falling out all over the place already. Next year, let's not get this tree.
That's what I said. We should have got the Douglas fir.
The Douglas fir was pretty. No.
Sarah said she has to poop. I said that at Walmart earlier, remember? I was like, I gotta take a shit.
Here, that's yours.
Oh,
Mom, what the hell? Hey, look what Mom just handed me.
M&M. What the hell is it?
Mom, what is this?
It's a mutilated candy.
It doesn't even have a hook on it.
It's a mutilated candy cane.
Here, put a hook on it.
Slim Shady.
Matt, go get one. Hey!
You need to stop that.
That's M&M.
She just peed on the floor.
That's all she does.
Yep, she squawks.
That's all she does is piss on the floor.
I scared Mom when I
Sarah, this one's yours.
No, you didn't scare me. It just hurts my ears.
What is this?
Your ass on the corner.
Mom, how are you supposed to hang this up?
Abe, look.
There was a thing in it. I just gave it to you.
There wasn't.
Yes, there was. What'd you do with it?
Now someone's gonna step on it.
Oh, here it is. How the hell did...
Abe,
It fell off his head and put it around its neck.
it looks like we're gonna hang him. Too bad we don't have any black people here. Were you recording?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Abe, I'm gonna look racist now.
Get some envelopes.
You hear what Sarah said? She's like, Pooh looked like he was hanging on a noose, and Sarah's like, we didn't have any black people here. Here.
Check those envelopes. The
I
other ones.
can't hang him up like that. It's gotta keep falling.
The goddamn son of a bitch fell apart.
Oh, you're not
Moo!
cards in there.
My book at.
I don't know.
This is Mom's book.
Wonderful brother-in-law. It's dead.
Get rid of the book down below.
Yeah.
My book better
Move.
be in here.
Oh, it's just gonna fall.
Oh, Mom, look, here's the thing that's been on here. I remember seeing a picture of this like 10 years ago. Some of this stuff is really old.
Yeah. Now look, you just broke that red ball
Easy, eh?
with your stupid shit. He did it deliberately. He's throwing it.
Wait, no, I
in
didn't. I
break 'em.
dropped it in there.
Fucking queer.
I just drop the damn thing in there and it breaks the ball.
Well, who is putting the cigarette butts in the hall? In those.
Who sits there, Mom?
And who puts them on the entertainment center?
Who sits there, Mom?
On the entertainment center?
Yeah, you know, who sits on the entertainment center? You.
There's not over here. Put them over here then.
Thank you.
Abe, you made this one
Yeah, I did make this one.
in 2003.
I thought you were giving me life.
Oh, wait a minute. You know where I made this?
Where?
Hidden Valley.
Knock it off.
You weren't in Hidden Valley yet. You were only in 8th grade.
Oh, yeah, pick it up.
You stink.
Looks like we're hanging by his wiener.
I tied a rope around my penis and jumped from a tree. Don't you want to grow up to be just like me?
Taking it out.
Oh shit, he didn't stay on there very long.
Here's your Michael. I don't know if you can find Abraham yet or not.
Ooh.
Sarah.
It looks like he's hanging from his dick. Mom! Mom just broke one.
No, that was the same one.
I think we're almost out of room on this tree.
Now you got all along the bottom over here, the back over here.
There's nothing on this side. That's why I said start hanging them over here.
Lily, you want to hang on the tree too?
I won't hang anything on fires. I'm just
The cats will knock them off if they're on the bottom.
I won't hang anything on the bottom.
Jingle bells, Lily.
Ew.
What the fuck is that? Give me the camera.
God damn it, Abe.
Hang it on the tree.
Mom!
It's the same one.
Mom keeps breaking them. It's
Mom
the
isn't.
same one.
I just broke like 4 balls. She's like, it's the same one.
No, I didn't. Matt, you have to get a hanger for it.
It bends to the left.
Sarah.
Me!
Only Sarah would think of something like that.
Here.
Mom, you don't go in the tree. What are they?
Come here.
Oh, Lily.
What do you have?
Who had this?
Holy shit. She had that in her mouth?
Yeah.
You better check to see if she's not bleeding or anything.
She better not have ate any.
No.
She'll die instantly.
Well, obviously she didn't eat any then.
Well, it takes 5 minutes.
This is Sarah. Shut up.
Sarah, you're just bullshit.
Matt, here you go. This one's yours.
No eating shit.
She'll die instantly. She would have been dead by now. But it takes 5 minutes.
What the hell are these? Here's a breast cancer awareness thing.
Dad ordered it off of eBay.
Well, you know what you... Mom, we gotta put some balls up here so these two...
That was from Tracy
No.
Sanders.
Look,
One of my friends.
Sarah, look, this is what you do when you don't have a hook for it.
Abe, don't throw them on there like that. Nothing's funny. You're not funny. He laid a whole bunch there. Sarah, he laid a whole bunch here.
Did you find my book yet?
No.
Chris must pass. Chris first name.
Here.
I think we're pretty much good on ornaments. I mean, not a
You
lot
guys
of
aren't
room.
putting them over here, Abe. That's why it looks so cool over there.
Oh, more ornaments.
Here, give me that. That's what I was looking for.
Abe's book is original.
I know. Where's it at? I didn't bring up all the decorations.
I got this from my cheerleading coach.
It does try to find a spot for that thing in the yard. Mom, can I consider this thing pretty much trash?
No.
Ew!
Look at its head.
Ew!
What happened to it?
The fucking cat's got it.
Mom.
It's bald.
It's not being human anymore.
Well, what happened to it? Where was it?
Weather happened to it.
Nobody put it back up. It was downstairs all this time.
It was right here.
It was hanging on the door.
Well, how'd the cats get it up there?
How'd the cats get it up there? Mom, you were stupid. The thing was hanging on the door. Mom said the cats got into it. I was like, Mom, it was up on the door the whole time. She's like, how'd the cats get it up there?
You can't say Lily did it. She can't jump that high.
Dirtball probably did it.
There's a whole bunch. Here's more.
Dad, you didn't bring up all the boxes.
Get there.
Move.
I look good.
I don't know exactly what you call them, but they're pants maybe. You can get really tell. He's got a nice butt, he's nice and perky, and you know.
I'm recording.
It is the most comfortable.
Narrate me or something. Narrate. Gives a lasting effect. Matt on the computer.
Matt, get up.
I'm shaking too bad.
All ready to go.
You ready? Done?
It wasn't on?
It should be
Did you get all of us?
Yeah.
Say hi.
That's a nice camera.
Hi.
Yeah, nice one. Nice $300 camera.
Really?
Yeah.
Where'd you get that at?
Walmart.
Did you?
Yep.
What kind is it?
It is, I think it's a Sony or something. I don't know. It's a JVC.
Sweet. What's she want? She brought that dog with her. She said she was going to.
Yeah, she brought that little dog with
Yeah,
her.
she said she was going to.
Oh, sorry.
Is that like a little, make little...
I went Brad with me.
This says boo.
When you get one like that.
Boo?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
But I have some
Do the little commercial.
He's left. Bunkhouse. He'll come back in. He just see his mom on the way out.
Oh, I think he came back in.
Did he? Hey, Boone! Boone! Hockey chair. Just got UPS. They just came.
Is that another metal? Yes, that's right.
I don't know what it is.
Now, why don't you go get something to eat?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it right around the corner.
Oh, it's light.
Who that?
Boone? Brian.
Motor! Oh. I'm not, right? Sure.
Want to give me your coat there?
Jim Wells. Hey there.
I want to go write this down.
Please.
Excuse me.
John Meadows. John. Over here. No. There you go, Bob. Oh, you're going to the one. Better get this up before cloudy.
Oh, really? She's the one that bought me these sausages.
Oh, I don't know. Well, she was in church today. She didn't go with her other family. But I talked to her on the phone. Yeah, I just heard a girl last week. We were talking. She like lived right down the street. So we were like, she and I were talking. Yeah, I have a lot of fun.
That was me.
I was like, dude.
Find out what it is.
And then I think go get it. It's a little dangerous there. When the power goes out.
JC Penney.
She's like a diehard Christian, and she went to church. Her parents very kind of. So like after we talked for a while, I don't know, it's kind of.
Is she from here?
No. She just goes to a church.
A hooded sweatshirt.
I mean, she's a boyfriend.
It's called a hoodie.
Called a hoodie?
Yeah, you don't call it a hooded
Her
Twitter.
boyfriend's in Ohio.
You're so
I'm
old.
not saying yeah.
But you're so old.
I know.
It's just really nice to meet people my age.
The hooded Twitter.
There isn't any. You know what I mean?
I'm just
It
playing.
can kind of be tough to like stay on this little straight and narrow path.
Jesus, Danny. Just the cameraman, calm down.
Yes.
Send off the aim.
Gotta get batteries.
Alright, cool, let's go out to your car.
Why?
You still got that system in there?
Yeah.
We got a thump in
I
there.
still
I got a system now.
Showing off cars.
No, stick around though. I do want to talk about that.
She still has hers.
Really? So I gotta get these batteries. I'll be right back.
You still driving that car you drove last year?
Blue one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why would I get rid of it? It's nice.
Would you sell it?
Why would I sell it? It's nice.
Oh, is this your car? This Impala?
Huh?
Is this your car?
No, fine. I parked it there.
You always park up here.
I want to be out of your room, man.
Nice. Shut up.
And I thought I was the retard. Like, if someone would have tripped in front of me, I would make sure I certainly wouldn't have tripped behind him.
I tried not to, but I thought once you got over the one part, it was over.
You got a flashlight in your hand and you still Dude. Like a moron. I bought rechargeable batteries.
You bought cardboard batteries?
No, I bought rechargeable batteries.
Oh.
There's no fucking charging. I wasn't thinking.
Hey, can I drive this?
No, you can't drive this. What fucking asshole for doing that?
We watch this tape.
Huh?
So wait till we watch this tape.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah, I've been recording. I record you tripping and me tripping.
Yeah, it's like I went and I'm like, okay, I gotta get batteries, you know what I mean? Because I gotta
Yeah.
pictures of people. And I bought rechargeables, not thinking that you gotta go recharge them before you use them. I mean, I guess it's a... Yeah,
This one gets 90 minutes.
90
But
minutes?
it's already down to 60. That was one battery. This battery, I already went to Batteries Plus and priced it out. If this one ever dies and I need a new one,
Yeah.
it's $80.
Sucks.
I know. Dad's battery. Dad got one of those old. Dad has one of those older cameras that takes the 8mm.
Oh yeah?
It's only like $30 for a battery.
We should sing a song for Sarah.
What? Sing a song for Sarah.
Yeah. Santa baby. Da, da,
Did you see that Victoria's Secret commercial where Lauren Harris from Maxim Magazine sang that song?
No, but dude, like that Santa baby
Oh,
song.
she's fucking hot, dude. I got a poster in my room of her. It has her ass showing it. Oh, man, she got a nice ass.
Dude, seriously, that Santa baby song, whatever, you know.
Yeah.
That's like the sexiest fucking song in the world. You get a chick, dude, wearing some like skimpy little outfit,
Oh, yeah.
singing the Santa song. What? Are you kidding me? Done. Yeah, it's like one of those things that, you know, when you're 16, you wish happens to you one day. And then you get married and you try to bribe your wife into doing it.
Well, by the time you get to be my age, then that didn't happen yet. But
How old are you?
17.
17. When I was 17, buddy, I was knee deep in pussy.
Not knee deep. I'm like, I think I'm about shin deep. I wish I was knee deep. I'm about shin deep. I like this song. Creeping up and see it from the shadow. I jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Into my place and just kick it like Tahoe. Bend you over. Watch me smack that all over the floor. Can't sing that out here though.
So are you just gonna like record that for like the whole night?
I don't know. Thought about it. I don't know. Everything on this tape has to do with Christmas. Christmas shopping, getting the tree, decorating it, coming here, all that kind of stuff. Oh, yeah. Hang on. Gotta zoom in. Hold on. Gotta zoom in. Ready? Smile.
That looks stupid on me.
Is it recording?
Sweet.
Like looking in a mirror, isn't it? Dude, what the hell? I started my camera up and it's recording right now. In like 10 seconds. That old piece of shit takes forever.
It's on.
It's on? Is it recording?
Turn your light off. Turn it
My
off.
light's on?
Turn it off.
It is off.
No, it ain't.
My light's off. Look.
Go ahead.
All right, stop squawking.
Oh, wait till it was a big one for me and you.
Don't blame the dog.
It says blame the dog.
What's that?
It's a dog farting, and it says blame the dog.
Yes.
Who's that from?
Abe.
What is that? I forget.
I don't remember. Yeah, don't get her all wound up. It's really annoying. Just rip it.
Oh yeah, I take the hell out of it. That I do remember.
I can't rip it.
Oh, okay. I remember what it is.
We got that day. We went to Circuit City beside Target.
Oh, some other guy was looking for it.
The Dora the Explorer.
It's a Dora squishy. Don't call him that. Put him in a nice pile.
G.I. Joe. Whoopee cushion.
Oh, poo-poo, I like this.
Oh, we can get the best one. The best one's right there.
Yeah, I wore one of these.
The athletic support.
Jockstrap. Is that it?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Sarah.
If you're watching this tape, that means I'm dead. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Sarah, how should I give it her gum?
Oh, she swallowed it.
She swallowed gum.
Yeah.
Give her another piece.
Will that kill her? Are you looking at your sideways face?
No, if you look. Take some. If you see.
Look. Bring your body to your head.
Ow!
You're showing your body. Hold on to my shoulders.
officially challenges Super Value Mart to a bag off. Tonight on the cliffhanging season finale of 10 Items or Less.
Yeah, I could eat something too, man. Cheeseburger's so good shit.
Food turtle. Getting on camera.
I can't wait to get a new tank. I think you'll buy the stand.
Go what?
You'll buy a stand.
Sand.
Stand.
A stand?
Yeah. I bought a new tank, dude.
Oh, so you're getting a new tank, or you're getting a new stand?
Yeah, I bought a new. I built that stand. And I just put a sheet over it.
Hey, maybe if we talk to the ministries, I can move in here sometime with you. Split the rent.
What's that?
Split the rent.
What do you mean?
Oh shit, I just took a picture of you, my bad. Yeah. I actually took a picture.
Huh?
I actually took a picture of you getting up. My bad.
Why do you want to move in here? I thought I was going to just move into your place.
You could move into our place.
Oh, yeah?
Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, if I need to, I'd move in there.
Keep the emotion going. It's good for ratings.
This is some bullshit. I mean, this is some bullshit. Damn it, dude. This sucks. For real.
John can't find his underwear. There, you got a wedgie.
Hey, Greg. Hey, is Kurt around? Damn it, he went home, didn't he? Fuck. 1, 2, there's like 4 or 5 little panels, and there's a top panel
Asian.
on the bottom. Sweet. He had them like in a little book. You have your own. Okay. Installation serial number? Yeah, yeah.
You still don't know what kind of million. Now I'm recording. John fucked something up and now it won't go away.
That's a long way.
Which way do you go?
Are you going the whole way downwards?
He pressed something on here, now it won't go
I
away.
don't feel like you're on the
What?
highway and dealing with
What
it.
won't go away?
There's a little mountain picture on here, it won't go away now.
What?
Mountain
Because
picture?
John pressed play on it.
That light is like blinding.
I know it is.
And he just sits there.
Alright, put it.
Look weird on camera.
Especially
I look
John.
fat on camera.
It's like one of those professional cameras, like get a close up. It's one of those things in like TV shows that just like move around.
It's recording.
I just hit record.
Yeah, right.
What are you doing?
Upside down.
Goofball.
He's a goober.
He's
I'm a goofy goober, yeah. Yeah, I should record that.
They cut this game off and over.
Get Lala. Lala.
New Year's Eve.
And we're all bored as hell. And
Yeah.
we can't watch a good channel.
We gotta watch the news. When we saw earlier.
Giants playing the Eagles.
Let's go to the neighbor's party.
This is what?
More cars, less money. Only from LB Smith Ford. A new 2007 only
Hey, get Matt to send those.
I did.
Matt, look at him.
More car than a Honda Civic LX. Save almost $3,600. More car, more convenience.
You can't, won't see anything.
The others don't.
That doesn't work. It just makes it go all fucked up and slow. Yeah, it's just going slow.
Smith Ford, 1100 Market Street, Lemoyne.
There we go.
Here we go. Let's see what she sings. Do your thing.
He's a one-stop, got your hot, making all the pennies drop. He's a one-stop, got me hot, making my hot. He's a one-stop, get him while it's hot, baby, don't stop. He got no passion, he's a one-stop shop with a real baby. He's a sweet, I can sugar, going crazy, baby.
3 times the normal amount. But a ton of that will be something they call word fetty. Pieces of colored paper with words like celebrate, cheer, and peace. I think you mentioned the ball, and here's some news. After 6 years, this is the last time
People are already setting off fireworks.
will be used for this event. While this ball is taking its last trip, we'll see a state-of-the-art light show thanks to 90 rotating mirrors. The ball is moving.
Mom, wake up!
And you are
Hey, don't go in front of the TV.
Party in the world. One place to be on New Year's Eve, that's right here with us. How exciting is this right now?
Damn.
Unbelievable. The electricity in Times Square.
Mom's gonna
And I'm going to
sleep
send it
through
to the
me.
boss.
One
Jim, take
minute.
it away.
Thank you, Ryan. We're coming up on the new year in 30 seconds. The crowd is getting louder and louder. We're about to say goodbye to the old year in 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cap donated. I don't have cap. Their dad's playing with all his new toys.
She's all alone and they never met her family. Mama's always gone and she never met her daddy. Part of her is missing and nobody will listen. Mama's on drugs, getting high up in the kitchen. Bringing home in at different hours of the night. Starting with some laughs, usually ending in a fight. Sneaking in the room when her mama's knocked out. Trying to have his way, and little Lisa says ouch. She tries to resist, but then all he does is beat her. Tries to tell her mom, but her mama don't believe her. Lisa stuck up in the world on her own. Forced to think that hell is a place called home. Nothing left to go but get some clothes and pack. She says she's about to run away and never come back.
move your head. I was just showing the top of your eyes.
Hey. Hey, don't record people. They might not want to be on camera.
People love cameras. Boom, 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 boom. Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. Did it, did it, did it, did it, did it. I'm narrating everybody based on their personality.
I want to get down on the nerves.
Matt's tone. Sarah, Sarah, dump water on him.
No, don't do that.
Matt, remember when I worked here?
Yeah, you want to see your face?
No, dumping water on the girl.
Happy birthday, we're so glad you came. Happy birthday from the Fire Mountain Gang. Hey, we're so excited. We hope that you are too. So happy birthday from the Fire Mountain crew. Hey, happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you. I don't know if I can eat that. The end of it. Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. That's why he brings us out everywhere.
No, you know he's like
Yeah, we brought you out here.
Pillsbury Doughboy. Instead of pushing you, go, yee! He burps.
What?
Hey! Quiet down.
Three people don't want to be on your camera.
Hydraulics.
I think I camera snack.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Nice man.
Put our ball downstairs and we'll see if anything gets better. And then we'll put the four.
I'm gonna fart in your ass.
Fart in your face.
That's disgusting.
Hey, remember what we were looking at earlier? What Matt was looking at?
Oh yeah, we found it on Matt's page. What was it called?
Yeah, okay, so.
Shiteaters.com or something?
It was on Matt's MySpace.
I'll go inside.
Anyway, I'm Lily. Sarah, fix her outfit.
That is supposed to keep you warm.
I don't think she wants it on.
No. You're back there, little brat.